Hey, slowheads. So I worked on the land barge a little bit today. Yesterday, had got the wheels and tires in. So I went ahead and got those mounted. Those wheels are a little bit different than the wheels that I was using to mock it up. So they're a little bit wider. So I've had to do a little bit of adjusting to try to get that to fit. And so when I true the tires, I think that I should be able to get the rest of it out so that it mounts, so that the body drops down on onto the chassis like it should, and not rub the tires. But let's get down here and see what I've done so far. So here is the Belvedere. Looks pretty good. Kind of sanded on the wheel inserts to get them to go inside the CBD insert wheels. And just so y'all know, part number for those is CBD 1650. And then the tires that I used for this is the PT.2 125. So there's that. I got the guide on here. Chassis, other than the tabs for the body, and I'm probably gonna end up copying Michael Squire and put a little bit of weight on the left side. I'm not sure if it's gonna really help. I haven't decided if honestly I'm gonna put that on there, but that's what I cut this out for. I may put it on the inside. I don't know yet. I haven't quite decided. So, and then the problem that I'm having, so these wheels are the wheels that I used to mock it up. And then the other wheels, they stick out, they protrude. So therefore, it made my stance a little bit wider. But I think I've sanded down the back side of the wheels there on the front and the back, and yeah, so when it goes on, I gotta pull there, and so yeah, that's what I've been working on, sanding, trying to get those to fit just right. And I'm still a little tighter than I want to be, which I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. The only other thing I can do is do what I did with the Winston Cup car there, is cut. And the shitty part about that is I don't have to cut much at all. A couple millimeters probably, and then it would be fine, front and rear. I could sand inside here on the inside of the fender, right there, right along here. See if I can get it to fit. It'd just be kind of ugly looking. I know Harry says not to hog out the wheel wells, but I'm assuming he's meaning to cut them out. So I don't know if sanding inside here would be that big of a deal. Might have to ask Harry or George or Dave. But for this one, I haven't got that far on. Just wanted to give y'all guys a quick update. So this will technically be, I guess, part 2. But hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see y'all later, slowheads.